Meaning of goalball.
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 goalball,
Goalball. Goalball is a Paralympic sport designed for visually impaired athletes. The game involves two teams of 3 players each, who try to throw a ball with bells inside into the opponent's goal while defending their own goal. The court is marked with tactile lines, allowing the players to orient themselves. The objective of the game is to score more goals than the opponent within the allotted time. The physical demands of the sport require exceptional auditory and tactile abilities. Goalball promotes inclusion and provides opportunities for visually impaired athletes to showcase their skills on the world stage.